Grip strength and fatigue are important concepts in biology and physiology, with applications spanning from peak performance in athletes to serving as a health indicator. We can investigate these ideas in the education lab with the PASCO wireless hand dynamometer. The dynamometer measures grip and pinch strength with a force load cell. The force load cell can measure 630 newtons, with a warning at 600 newtons to prevent damage to the sensor. Additionally, PASCO's wireless hand dynamometer has a 3-axis accelerometer and gyroscope for experiments with complex motions like swings, hits, or strokes. It can perform remote logging for investigations outside a classroom environment. The dynamometer can also be combined with other educational physiology sensors to study the correlation between strength and other measurements like breath rate, EKG, heart rate, or blood pressure. The sensor connects wirelessly via Bluetooth so you can easily use it with either of PASCO's data collection software, SparkView or Capstone. I've already connected the dynamometer in SparkView. We'll quickly zero it in this position before we begin. Alec will assist me as the subject for the lab, since the subject should avoid seeing the data as it is collected. I'll have Alec use his right hand to squeeze the grip pad as hard as he can for 60 seconds. Ready, Alec?
Mm-hmm.
All right, go. Let's speed up the remaining data collection. All right, done. Now that we have data, using the coordinates tool, we can see that Alec's maximum grip strength was 320.88 newtons. Now that we have our first run of data, we're going to fatigue Alec's hand by having him repeat this exercise with only 10 seconds of break in between runs. Ready to feel the burn, Alec?
Yes.
I'll start collecting data, but we'll fast forward through the next runs and jump to the completed data. All right, go. All right, stop. All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go. All right, stop. We can see that the original run, when Alec's hand was fresh, has the greatest maximum force, and with each subsequent run, his grip strength decreases as fatigue sets in. How did that feel, Alec?
My arm is tired.
Today we use the main grip pad, but we could have used the pinch pad to investigate how individual finger strength contributes to hand strength, like so. These are just some of the ways to explore human physiology with the PASCO wireless hand dynamometer. Additional areas to explore include swinging the dynamometer like a baseball bat and measuring both grip force and acceleration to see if there's a correlation between the two. Visit the experiment library at pasco.com to find more investigations you can do with the wireless hand dynamometer. On a final note, please remember that this sensor is designed for educational use only. This is not a medical device and should not be used in any apparatus involved with life support, medical testing, patient diagnosis, or industrial control or testing systems. Thanks for watching.